roof of the Lisciarelli family in Phoenix, Arizona. Today's January 27th, 2026. I'm going to be doing a repair attempt on that wind creased and damaged shingle. The tools I'll be using is a magnetic roofing hammer, a flat bar, a soft nose putty knife, a recommended roofing snake, and 1.25 inch per code roofing nails. First, I want to get you guys set up so you guys can view the work that takes place. Make sure that everyone has a good viewpoint. Hopefully that does the trick. Alright, so what we have here is we have a dimensional shingle. The shingle's got a large crease through it. It's been flopping around in the wind. First, what I want to do is make sure that it's removed 100% from the material that binds it to the books beneath it. It is. Now I want to do the same thing for the books above it. Arizona, you just got to go slow and carefully. These things are thin. We don't want to damage or rip through anything. There we go. Now I'm going to remove the shingle from the decking. We're going to start on one side, trying to pop it out of the fasteners that hold it in place currently. Now we're going to go to the back and do the same thing back there. Alright, we have our shingle book removed. Now I'm going to do an investigation of the underlayment, making sure we have a clean and clear surface for reinsertion. I can already see a problem here. This shingle book above it, shingles are built in two parts. We have the top layer and the teeth. The teeth hold on to the bottom layer. We can see right here that the bottom layer is now becoming unattached to the shingle. There's a full separation all the way from here to here. I'll document that a little bit closer up. We can see that this is completely separated here. I want to make sure you guys get a good viewpoint. Right here we see it's completely separated. Alright, I'll continue with the video though. We'll do the reinsertion of the shingle. This is always the biggest problem right here, is the working of the... Alright, now we'll take our shingle, we'll line it up, and we'll maneuver it to get it back to where it was. Alright, we're back in place. Now I'll take my recommended roofing snake, 1.25 inch per code roofing nails. The reason why we use the roofing snake is so we don't have to lift this book more than necessary to get an appropriate nail strike. So I'm going to start on one end of the shingle. Make sure that I'm completely in the nail strip, straight. Boom, that's one. That's two. I can see this tooth has become delaminated. That's not good. That will extend this separation. That will eventually grow, and this shingle will deteriorate and fall apart over time. That's three. We have the shingle back in place. However, this shingle book is beginning to fall apart at the seam. This one is delaminated 100%. This one's delaminated. This stretches all the way across to here. So from here to here, this shingle book is completely delaminated. This one's maintained its integrity. Oh, this one's delaminated as well. This one has held on to its integrity. We do see some granule loss right here, most likely from the removal and from the roofing snake. Because of these conditions, I have to deem this roof irreparable.